vibration while driving. Most especially, you notice this vibration when you are slowing down on speed 5 to 10. You notice your steering is vibrating, your car is vibrating. It means one of your tires is bad and it needs replacement. That is the clear sign that your tires is bad and needs replacement. I made a video on what causes your tires to vibrate at high speed. I've made the video, so you do well to check the page and watch the video to so you know what is wrong with your tires. Also, another thing is old aged tires. Yes, old aged tires. Do you know that your tire might be expired right now? Do you know when to check how to check expired tires? How do you confirm that these tires are expired? How do you know that these tires are expired? I made a video on that. It's also in my previous videos. So, but for emphasis, let me just throw more light on that. Now, tires are supposed to serve you for as long as you maintain them. At least for 4 5 years, you should use your tires if you maintain your tires properly. 4 5 years. So always check this. Once your tires is getting, you've been using your tires for the past 3 4 years, 5 years, you should do it to change it. They are old. They've tried. Yeah, they've tried. So you should change it. So also importantly, there are some important warnings, signs that you should never ignore while driving, which is driving with bad tires. Driving with bad tires, you can lose control while driving, and also longer braking distance and sudden tire burst. You know, when your tires are aged, when they are old, these are the things you will encounter while driving. You can lose control. It can lead to a serious accident on the way. So to avoid your tires to be to wear out faster, these are things you need to do. Always check your tire pressure. Always check your wheel alignment and balancing. And lastly, most importantly, avoid overloading your cars. So if you find this video educative, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment your thoughts on this video so I know how to um, help more. So also, please don't forget to share this video to reach a larger audience. Thank you.